This video presents how to calculate descriptive statistics using MS Excel built-in functions. The first step in data analysis is to describe the data using descriptive statistics. Descriptive statistics permit the researcher to meaningfully describe many pieces of data with a few indices. The major types of descriptive statistics are measures of central tendency like a mean, and measures of variability like range, variance and standard deviation, and measures of relative position. So now we calculate each measure using Excel built-in function instead of statistical equation. Here are the measures and their statistical equations. Suppose if you have to calculate the mean value of a given observations, mean value, that is x bar, equals to sigma x, that is summation of x divided by n, and to calculate a variance, it is summation of x minus x bar whole square divided by n minus 1, and to calculate a standard deviation, square root of a variance, and skewness, so n divided by n minus 1 into n minus 2, summation of x minus x bar whole cube divided by standard deviation. So instead of using these lengthy statistical equations and spending a time on calculations, we can save our time by using built-in Excel functions. Suppose if we need to calculate the mean, then instead of using equation, we can use Excel built-in function equals to average, which actually calculates x minus x bar divided by n automatically. And to calculate a variance, simply we need to type equals to VAR, and standard deviation STDEV, and skewness SKW, and kurtosis KURT. So we measure each of this. So total number of observations. Total number of observations is, for this purpose I have taken a sample of a prices for so many days. Now here is the data. If you drag down, so till 256 we have a data, and so first of all we should know what are the total number of observations in this. Manually, if you have to do, what we do is we count, that is first observation 1 2 3 4 5 6 like that. So we are counting. So in Excel we use the same like a function equals to count total number of observations. We use Excel function equals to count, equals to COUNT, count, open a bracket, then select your data range, or simply you can say your data is available in column A. So we select total column, is A to A. So in all we have a 250 observations. So what I have done here is, instead of when you write a Excel function to select the range, instead of dragging it, I selected total column. So similarly, to calculate the maximum value, Excel function is max, equals to MAX max, then select the total range A to A. Got a maximum value, that is the maximum price during the study period is 21,326, and minimum value equals to Excel function is min, so equals to MIN, min, open a bracket, select whole data, that is range. You got a minimum price during the period is 17,906, and the range is maximum minus minimum, so equals to max of A to A minus min of A to A. So range is 3420. And what is the average price during the period? So average is a mean Excel built-in function is average AVAREGE. So equals to AVER equals to average. What average price is 19,722 and a variance. So variance Excel built-in function is VAR. So equal to VAR and select the data range. Standard deviation. Standard deviation is Excel function is STDEV equals to STDEV and skewness SKEW curtosis KURT equals to that's it. We are done with all the calculations.